I had no teeth at all. I was all the time in the dentist trying to get them fixed, and we finally ended up just pulling them. You know, I like to be confident in myself, and I lost some of that when I lost my teeth. And then I couldn't get my dentures to work right. The best solution for me was I have 4 implants on the top, and I have 2 on the bottom. I enjoy having the teeth back. I don't hesitate to smile. I feel 100 times better. I feel more like I can go do things that I wouldn't have done before. I can eat things I couldn't eat before. I always put my money towards my kids. With this, I decided it was time I invested something into me. And this is the best investment I have ever made. I would like to thank everyone, Joe and Dr. Morgan and all the other girls that have helped me along the way and given me my smile back.
Shauna came to see us about 1.5 years ago. For her budget, for what was right for her, we did implant retained dentures. She just loved them. They don't move. She works and smiles every day.
Dr. Morgan, he makes you feel at home right off the bat. He does not make you feel uncomfortable whatsoever. If you have a fear, he talks that fear through with you. He makes you feel welcome. He always has a smile. And when you can walk into a dentist office and see your dentist smiling, you know it's going to be a good visit.